Hey guys, welcome back to Ultimate Beauty. Today I'm doing a review and tutorial for you of Too Faced's Unbearably Glam palette, their Enchanted Beauty collection. It is the counterpart to the Foxy Neutrals makeup set that I did a couple weeks ago. I will put a link to that one in the description box. So here's the palette. It's pretty cool, kind of iridescent. It's got a cute little polar bear on the front. And now these are the colors I'm talking about. I liked the neutral ones, but I'm a sucker for glitter and shimmer. These have some of the prettiest shimmers and glitter shades that I've seen in a while. Their mattes are okay. Some of them are a little hard to blend. Like, they require a little bit more blending because they're just slightly chalky. Not too bad. But the shimmer shades are amazing. The shimmer and the glitters. Hey, it's a cameo from Tori Tour! Hi, baby! Here, let me see if I can get you in the frame. There's my Tori girl. There's my little puppy dog. Yeah, she's a good girl. Tori wants to be part of the review. You gotta bend down a little. I have to set up for being on the on the desk. Hold on. We'll get you in here. Hold on. Here we go. Here we go. There's Tori girl. That beautiful little nose. And she's gone. Thank you for stopping by. Good girl. And she lost interest. I think she was just worried I was doing something involving bacon. So then back to the palette. These little glitter shades here. This one, and I think this one's glitter. Is it glitter? Yes, it is. They go on really nice. I do it in the video. Just with your finger, I'll do a little swatch. I do in the video too. Just, can you see that? I don't know how that shows up for you. It's so saturated. It's real glitter, and you just press it on, and it gives the nicest shimmery look. It's really saturated glitter. It's not just loose, kind of all over the place glitter that doesn't stay. It's kind of foil almost. They're really pretty. The matte shades aren't really that bad. It's just the one I had a little trouble with, Nutcracker. The other ones are, I'd say they're pretty good. Not terrible. They don't have fallout, really, which tends to be a problem. The shimmer shades are nice. They stay in place. They keep their wear all day, like Blue Christmas and Lords a Leapin'. So it's a really nice eye palette. A lot of good colors, a lot of shimmer and glitter options, which I always love. And then it didn't come with a contour bronzer, which is kind of strange, but neither did the other one. But it did come with a little face palette. It has a highlighter and a blush. The highlighter is a pretty pearly shade. Really flattering. And the blush is just your typical pink blush, but it's got a nice matte finish to it. And of course, what would their palette be without their signature mascara? And that about covers the review. Pretty good palette. The glitter is really nice, so are the shimmers. The mattes are okay. I would buy it again if, I mean, it's a limited edition, but I would buy it again if I had the chance. The face palette's really nice. The highlighter stays in place. The blush isn't chalky. And the mascara has always been a crowd pleaser. So that about does it for my review. So please enjoy my Too Faced Enchanted Beauty Unbearably Glam makeup set tutorial. Here you go. So I start with Almay TLC foundation all over my face. And then I use Shadow Insurance primer on my eyes. And then we take the Too Faced Unbearably Glam palette, eyeshadow. And we're going to take that matte shade right there, Nutcracker, that dark shade. And then we're just going to work it into the crease, just blending and buffing as we go along. Take it all the way into the corner of the eye, the inner corner of the eye, and then blend out a bit for just bit of a wing. Then we're going to use a blending brush just to soften any harsh edges. Then we're going to take that pretty pink shade there, Candy Cane, and put that all over the eyelid, sort of pressing and building color as we go along until we get to the shade intensity we want. Then we're going to go in with that glitter shade right there, String of Lights, that pretty pink shade. And I'm just going to use my ring finger, and we're going to press it all over the lid. Get a really nice, intense glitter shade. Then I'm going to use a little brush just to work that glitter shade into the corners, pressing it into the inner eye. Then I'm going to take a liquid liner pen, and I'm just going to use short little strokes so I can build it up slowly, not get too intense lash line, so I don't want to overpower the glitter. Then I'm going to use an eye pencil. This one's from Colourpop, and one that through the lower waterline. Then I'm going to take the shade All I Want, that shimmery shade right there, and on a flat brush just run that along the lower lash line just to define it a bit more. Then we're going to use the glitter shade Ice Queen, that whitish silver glitter there. And we're just going to put that in the inner corners of the eyes for some extra brightness and sparkle. I'm going to take that light shade, Christmas Dreams, and brush that through the brow bone, give that a little highlight. And of course, what would it be without their signature mascara? And I'm just going to put that on the top and bottom lashes. I'm going to use my new go-to concealer from Tarte and pop that under the eyes just to clean up any fallout. And there is no contour bronzer shade in this set, so I used one from NYX's Highlight and Contour palette, and then I just ran that under my cheekbone, going towards my mouth, sort of bringing it up at the edges. We're going to take the highlighter shade Angel Kisses, which did come in the Too Faced palette, and just going to pop that on the tops of the cheekbones, and then just hit all the high points. Take that pretty pink blush, Makeup and Be Merry, and just blend that into the contour, working a little into the highlight as well. To finish things off, we're going to take a lip polish from Buxom, pretty shimmery one, and just run that on the lips. And here we have my finished Too Faced Unbearably Glam makeup look. Super pretty pink glitter. I really like it. It's very foil-like. Excellent staying power and great coverage. I'm such a dork. And that's that. Thank you so much for watching. Check out the blog for more swatches. Check out this set. It's definitely my favorite out of the two. The other one is really nice too, the Foxy Neutrals palette. You can watch my tutorial and review of that. I'll try to link it at the end. If not, I will put it in the description box. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.